Let's take the previous question. Now this time we'll pass the journal entries in the books of B. Let's have a look at the question. On 1st January 2012, A sells goods to B for ₹1,000 on credit and B accepts a bill of ₹1,000 for 3 months. And on the due date, the bill was paid. And the due date was 4th of April 2012. Suppose you are B. I mean to say you are drawee or you are acceptor of the bill. How will you make the journal entries in your books? I'm going to draw the journal entries just in parallel of journal entries of A so that you can feel the difference, how both parties are making journal entries in their books. So in the books of B, on 1st January 2012, what did you do? You purchased the goods on credit basis. So what will be the journal entry? Purchases account debit to A, because you have bought the goods from A. So purchase account debit to A ₹1,000 and narration will be being goods purchased from A on credit basis. However, A had passed the journal entries B to sales because he had sold the goods and you have bought the goods on credit basis. Now next, on 1st January 2012, what did you do? You accepted the bill. It means you signed the bill and gave it to A. So what will be the journal entry? You have given bill to A. So journal entry will be A to BP. A has been debited, means debit the receiver, and to BP means bill payable. Credit what goes out because the bill has gone out. So you will write down to BP. Have you noticed the difference? For the same bill, A was using the word BR, I mean to say bill receivable, and you are using bills payable, I mean to say BP. What will be the narration? Being bill accepted from A. Now, on due date, 4th of April 2012, what did you do? On due date, you went to A's place with ₹1,000 and there you paid ₹1,000 and recovered your legal document. I mean to say the bill of exchange where you have signed. So you will cancel the bill. So on due date 4th of April, what will you do? You have paid the cash. So what will you do? To cash account ₹1,000 means credit what goes out. And what you have received? BP debit ₹1,000 because you have recovered your bill signed by you. So BP account debit to cash account ₹1,000. What will be the narration? Being cash paid against bill or being bill paid, whatever you like. So narration will be being bill paid. So in this way, you have passed 3 journal entries in your books. Now you have to learn how to make drawers account in your books. Drawers account means A's account. So open A's ledger. So first of all, purchases to A. A has been credited in your journal entry. So A will be credited in ledger posting, means posted on the credit side. So write down on credit side on 1st January 2012 buy purchases ₹1,000. Next journal entry A to BP. A has been debited by ₹1,000. So debit A's account in the ledger posting. I am to say post on the debit side to BP ₹1,000 on 1st January 2012. And BP to cash, A is not involved. Now close A's account. So the total on both sides ₹1,000. No closing balance. I mean to say no balance CD. It means the A's account is clear. So in this way, the drawee or acceptor of the bill will draw the journal entry in his books. And I'm going to make the journal entries in the books of A and in the books of B parallel so that you can compare the journal entries and you can understand well about the journal entries.